So how to fix the Facebook Messenger call in that issue? If you have any problem with the call in your Messenger, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger right here and click on it like this. And then click on force stop, and after that go to the notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them back again. Go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, especially the phone permission. Go back, click on the storage right here, click on clear data and click on delete. And the last thing you want to do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks and enable the airplane mode from here, and after that disable it. Restart your phone and congratulations.